In the heart of a bustling city, there lived a man named Samuel, whose life had been marred by pain and heartache. He had experienced betrayal, loss, and disappointment so many times that he had become guarded, building walls around his heart to protect himself from further harm. Samuel's fear of being hurt again had made him isolated and lonely. For years, Samuel had walked the city streets carrying the heavy baggage of his past wounds. He believed that the world was a place of perpetual pain, and that his walls were the only defense he had against its relentless assaults. One evening, as the sun dipped below the city skyline, Samuel found himself sitting alone on a park bench, lost in his thoughts. He stared at the distant horizon, wondering if there was a way to escape the cycle of hurt and loneliness that had plagued him for what felt like an eternity. It was during this contemplative moment that he noticed something unusual. A sense of calm had begun to wash over him. He looked around, bewildered, searching for the source of this newfound serenity. Just when Samuel thought there was no hope left, a stranger approached him, a figure bathed in the warm glow of the setting sun. It was Galton Buddha, a revered spiritual teacher known for his profound wisdom and the ability to inspire transformation in people's lives. His presence radiated an aura of peace and tranquility. Galton Buddha smiled at Samuel and asked, "Are you tired of being hurt, my friend? Do you wish to find a way to ensure that you'll never be hurt again?" Samuel, astonished by the presence of such a wise and compassionate being, replied, "Yes, I've carried the burden of past hurts for far too long. Please, if there's a way, show me how." Galton Buddha nodded, and his words were like a gentle, life-altering breeze. "To ensure you'll never be hurt again, you must first understand that pain is an inevitable part of life. But it's not the pain that defines us, it's our response to it." He continued, "The first step is to embrace vulnerability. True strength is not in building walls around your heart, it's in having the courage to open it wide. When you allow yourself to be vulnerable, you invite authentic connections, love, and joy into your life." Samuel listened intently, feeling a glimmer of hope slowly rekindling within him. He thought about all the times he had shut people out for fear of being hurt and began to see the possibility of a different way. The spiritual teacher went on, "Next, practice self-compassion. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding you would offer a beloved friend. Forgive yourself for past choices and let go of self-criticism. We are all human, and humans make mistakes." Samuel's heart grew lighter as he realized that he had been his own harshest critic for far too long. He committed to offering himself the same grace he'd extend to someone he cared about deeply. Galton Buddha concluded, "Lastly, to ensure you'll never be hurt again, you must cultivate resilience. Life will present challenges, but it's through these trials that we grow and evolve. By building emotional strength, you'll not only bounce back from setbacks and disappointments, but also emerge from them even stronger." Samuel left his encounter with Galton Buddha feeling like a new person. Over the years, he diligently followed the teacher's guidance. He began to open his heart, embracing vulnerability, practicing self-compassion, and building resilience. As he transformed, he found that his fear of being hurt again had diminished. The walls around his heart crumbled, and Samuel discovered that he was stronger, more compassionate, and better equipped to navigate the challenges of life. As he transformed, he found that his fear of being hurt again had diminished. The walls around his heart crumbled, and Samuel discovered that he was stronger, more compassionate, and better equipped to navigate the challenges of life. His journey of healing and growth inspired many in the bustling city. People from all walks of life came to Samuel, seeking guidance and support in their own quests to ensure they'd never be hurt again. As Samuel's journey unfolded under the guidance of Galton Buddha, he transformed his life from one marred by pain and isolation into an inspiring testament of resilience and open-heartedness. His story became a beacon of hope for many who sought to ensure they'd never be hurt again. It illustrated the profound truth that vulnerability, self-compassion, and resilience hold the key to lasting inner peace and strength. We invite you to explore your own journey of growth and transformation. If you found this story inspiring and wish to continue receiving powerful narratives and guidance, consider becoming a part of our community. Subscribe to our channel for more stories of wisdom and enlightenment, and join us as we embark on this path of self-discovery and inspiration together.